Hello to the best viewers in the world. Tonight, we're taking a short but interesting drive through one of Tehran's most luxurious neighborhoods, Sadat Abad. We'll be driving west on Sarv Boulevard, sharing the history and the unique feel of this area at night. Ready? Let's go. History of Sadat Abad. Sadat Abad is now one of Tehran's most modern and expensive neighborhoods, but not too long ago, it was a rural area filled with gardens and farmland. Before the 1970s, most of this land belonged to the Sadat family, one of the influential families of that time, which is why it was named Sadat Abad. After the revolution, as Tehran expanded, this area was gradually developed into one of the city's most desirable residential districts. Today, Sadat Abad is not only known for its wide streets and modern towers, but also for its high-end restaurants, cafes, and luxurious lifestyle. Tonight's drive in Sarv Boulevard highlights. Now that we're driving along Sarv Boulevard, it's good to know that this is one of the main streets in Sadat Abad. Stretching from east to west, it's one of the busiest roads in the neighborhood. On both sides, you'll see well-known cafes and restaurants that keep the nightlife alive. The modern buildings, clean streets, and well-organized layout make Sadat Abad stand out. During the day, this area is one of the most crowded parts of the city, but at night, the streets become calmer and more charming. The streetlights reflecting on the pavement, the quiet hum of passing cars, and the overall sense of safety create a unique atmosphere. Safety and affordability of traveling to Iran. One thing that might surprise international viewers is that Iran is not only one of the safest countries in the region, but also one of the most affordable travel destinations. Tehran, as a modern city, has a variety of districts, and Sadat Abad is one of its most secure and high-end areas. If you're looking for a unique and exciting place to visit, Iran is a great choice. So if it wasn't on your travel list before, maybe it's time to add it. So we've completed a short but interesting drive. Now we know that Sadat Abad is not just a luxury district, but also a place with an interesting past. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and share your thoughts in the comments. Which Tehran neighborhood should we drive through next? Let me know.